of his own thinking. So let's talk about today that winners and losers. What are the differences between winners and losers? There is nothing different between winners and losers. Nothing different to do. So if I say that winners, they do not do different things, but they do things differently, I will not be wrong. So how do they do things differently? So let's do comparison, winners versus losers today here. The first difference that it comes between winners and losers, that the winner is always the part of the answer. Winners always trying to find out solution for things, whereas loser is always the part of the problem. If you take general example, problems are never ever been created by winners. Problems are always created by losers. If you are a person and if you create problem, so it means you do not come in the category of winners, because winners make things easy for people, whereas losers, they make things difficult for people. So always trying to be the part of an answer, not the part of that of a problem. So that is the first difference. Difference number two, if we talk about here, the winner is always has a problem. Winners always has a program, while loser always have an excuse. If you look around yourself, people, if they do excuses, so it comes in the category of what? In the category of losers. Because for winner, there is no excuse. Winners always trying to take responsibilities. Success is the name of taking responsibilities. And winners always trying to take responsibilities. Whereas losers, they always trying to make different sort of excuses. They try to put, their own faults on other people. They always do excuses. So if you want to try to be a winner, so always trying to be part of a program, you must always have program in your mind what to do and trying to forget about or making that of excuses. The third difference, if you talk about here, that winner says, let me do it for you. Whereas loser, what he says, that is not my job. Winners always try, to come in front. Whereas loser, they stay away, and they think that this is not my job. This is your job, let it do. So winners always, they say that let me do it for you, whereas the losers say that is not my job. Next difference we can talk about here, that winner sees an answer for every problem. With the winners, there is always solution for every problem. When there is a problem, there is also solution. When there is a well, there is a way. But whereas in terms of losers, loser sees a problem for every answer. For every answer, there is a problem. If you talk about the next, the winners say that it may be difficult, but it is possible. It may be difficult, but it is possible. Whereas losers, they say, it may be possible, but it is too difficult. So now, can you see the difference? Like, it's all the game of what? All the game of mind. There is nothing, the way you think, you become. The bigger you think, the bigger you become. The smaller you think, the smaller you become. So success is all the game of what? Success is all the game of mind, the brain. So what sort of brain you want to keep for yourself? Let's come towards the next one. When a winner player, he makes a mistake, he says, I was wrong. He accepts his fault. Whereas in terms of losers, when they make a mistake, what do they say? It wasn't my fault. He never accepts his own faults. Whereas a winner, quite easily, he accepts his mistake and he tries to correct himself. So making mistake is not a big problem. Realizing mistake and then working on mistake and correcting ourselves on that mistake, that is the real challenge for us. If you go with the next one, a winner makes commitment, but a loser, he makes what? He makes promises. Winners always have dreams. They are dreamers. Whereas losers have schemes. They wait for chances. Winners never wait for chances. They create their own world. They always live in their own dreams. They believe on their dreams. They have their vision, their clear vision. Whereas in terms of losers, they always go for finding out easy ways for themselves. Winners say, I must do something. Whereas losers say, something must be done. So this is the mind between winner and loser. Winners are a part of the team. Losers are apart from the team. Two terms are here. Winners are a part of a team, whereas losers are apart from a team. Let me give you an example. This is the example of a loser. He always prefers to be alone, whereas a winner, he tries to put himself to work in a proper team. He tries to be a good team player, because I believe that an individual work can never ever beat a group work. If you work alone, you will be like this. But if you work in two, it will be much more better. If you work in three, it gets better. If you work 4 or 5, so it becomes like this is the strength of a winner. This is the strength of teamwork. So try to be part of a team, not apart from a team. Winner sees the gain. Winners believe on gaining something, whereas losers, they see the pain. If we change our words, winners, they say, what if I fail? What if I fail? Whereas winners, they think, what if I gained? What if I got something? So that is the mind of winner and loser, and it makes what? It makes a big difference. Winner sees possibilities, where loser sees problems. When there is a problem, there is also possibility. Because we believe that opportunities are always in adversity. Opportunities are from adversity we get it. So winners see possibilities and losers sees what? Losers, they sees problems. Winners believe in win-win. Winners always believe in win-win situation. What is win-win situation? That he wants to see himself successful and he wants other people also successful. He tries, he never think about himself that I should be successful and let other people, not to be. Whereas in terms of losers, losers believe for them to win, someone else has to lose. They wait for their turn, that if I become or I get the high position, so someone else has to leave that position or he has to fail, then I can get that position. A winner sees the potential. He works on himself. He sees the present. He lives in the present. Whereas the loser, he always sees the past. He blames his past. That it happened to me. There was a problem, because of those problems I did not, or I'm not able to do it. Whereas a winner, he forgets about his past mistakes and he tries to foresee his future, and that it makes what? It makes the difference. Winners stand firm on values but compromises on petty things. Whereas losers stand firm on petty things but compromises on values. Winners follow the philosophy of empathy. Do not do others what you want them to do with you. Don't do things to other people if you don't want that those things should be done to you back. Whereas losers, they follow the philosophy of what? Do it to others before they do it to you. Winners make it happen, where losers let it happen. Winners plan and prepare to win, and the key word for tomorrow, that is preparation. So these were the differences between winners and losers. I hope that you can understand about yourself that either you come in the category of winners or losers. If there are something that those points are in the category of losers, we have to work on those things and we want to turn back into that of the winners. Thank you so much.